Alright, let's take a look at my lightweight snake bite slash minor medical kit here. I've got it in this little clear case here. I used to keep everything in these Altoids tins, but after carrying 4 or 5 or 6 of these at a time, I was like, well, there's really no reason to carry so many. You only need like 1 or 2, so I eventually upgraded to a lighter case for my other kits. But on the inside, it's just a little thing of beeswax, Lip-balm, Visine eye drops. Very, very important, because every time I go out in the woods, I always seem to get something in my eyeball, whether it's a piece of a leaf or dirt or pollen, or I don't know, I'm just brushing off my t-shirt and all of a sudden the wind comes and gushes something in my eyeball. It's like every time I go out in the woods, I always get something in my eye. I always got to bring that. Got a little titanium Vargo whistle here, and here's the really cool part of the kit. This is a little tiny little snake bite kit, and let's see if we can get it out here. Yeah, basically these are just little suction things, so if you get bit somewhere, you can get this bad boy onto the snake bite and it'll suck the venom out if it was a venomous snake bite. And it has instructions here, and I'm pretty sure it says something like let me see, where's it at? Yep, got some instructions. I think this is a little bit of iodine, so you would break this, swab it onto the snake bite wound, and there's supposed to be, yeah, here it is. This is not really a tourniquet, but the instruction says to wrap this around, kind of like a tourniquet, in between the snake bite and your heart, about 1 inch above where the snake bite is. You kind of wrap it around, just to not to stop the blood flow, but to stop the venom from spreading. And yeah, I thought this was pretty good to have, because if I ever did get bitten by a snake or whatever, whether it was, I don't know, venomous or not, I think my instant reaction of most people, and my own, would be to use your mouth and try to suck the venom out if you didn't have one of these. But these come in handy in cases where if you get bit by a venomous snake in an area where your mouth cannot reach the snake bite area, like on your ankle or something, or in your calf, you know what I mean? You're not, I don't know, I'm not that flexible, so I wouldn't be able to use my mouth to suck the venom out. This is where these really come in handy. You know, you can place these anywhere a venomous snake could bite you. Put that on there, let it suck the venom out, and the instruction says if you follow everything correctly, it should take about an hour to successfully get the venom out through this suction method. But even so, you'd probably still want to go see a doctor or go to the hospital if it was a venomous snake that bit you. Still pretty cool to have, just in case, because like I said, you never know. Wound seal. Topical powder for minor external bleeding. So yeah, if you got a little minor cut from whatever, knife, rock, twig, briars, I don't know, put that bad boy on there, seal it up. Allergy pills for pollen and stuff. And actually I used to carry a little pouch of caffeine and vitamin B12 pills in here too, just as a little pick-me-up out there if you ever get tired. Earplugs for sleeping, always handy to have. I've never actually used these yet, but just in case. More allergy pills. And this right here is a really nice stainless steel mirror. Don't really trust the acrylic mirrors. I like to have the stainless steel hardcore tough mirrors. And I've never really used a mirror for signaling. I usually only use these for medical purposes. Like I was saying earlier, I always seem to get something stuck in my eyeball, so this comes in really, really clutch, helpful to see what gets stuck in your eye out there and help you get it out. Alrighty, let's see. In total, this kit weighs 3.5 ounces, which is not too bad. I mean, you could go lighter if you traded out some different items for a lighter weight version. I used to keep these kits in these tiny little pouches here that fit 2-inch belts, and they weigh about, let's see, about 1.3 ounces, which is not bad, but I mean together it would be something like, what, 4.3 or something. Oh gosh, scale says about 4.8 with both of them on there. So instead of using these, I had some custom-made Dyneema pouches to keep my kits in on my belt. And these are really nice. These are Dyneema. These are waterproof and they're strong, and they do exactly what I needed to do. Let's go ahead and weigh these and see how much these weigh. Yeah, 0.25 ounce. So I mean, you could get 4 of these for the weight of one of these. So this is one of those cases where you upgrade by downgrading the weight. It still does exactly what I needed to do. It's waterproof, strong, durable, and it carries. But let's see how much one of these tins weigh. Yeah, 1 ounce. So yeah, I used to carry 4 or 5 of these because I had different kits in each one with 4 or 5 of these. And since then, I usually put most of my kits in these plastic containers. Let's see how much this weighs. Yeah, 0.6 ounces, so a little bit over half the weight. So you can see you get almost double the size and height, half the weight. So it's just little stuff like that that really adds up in the end when you're trying to lighten up your weight out there in the woods if you're spending days or weeks at a time out there. But yep, hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.